In this video tutorial, we will consider in data all the devices located in the middle of computer system unit. And so, in the system unit are power supply, motherboard, RAM, sound card, video card, hard drive, CD-ROM, floppy disk drive, and some optionally held devices. Now for all devices more. Power supply, a device is registered and stabilizes the voltage surge with electricity network. Provide electric power, all devices a computer. Power supply ought to be powerful enough to withstand a large number of devices and provide stable work of the computer in general. Processor, the main unit that performs data processing. A small textile light board on which the silicon crystal on the surface of the crystal store. A high number of transistors that perform certain mathematical operation with numbers that turn or input information on the computer. The processor also requires special attention, must complete frequency unit. If you just need to work in an office annex, the frequency can be high, while for games need a lot of more powerful processor. Also plays a significant role bit processor. This is an indicator which characterizes the amount of information that processing can be handled per unit time. Another criterion is the number of core if the processor is single core. The entire stream core handle concerningly this kernel if multiply core. The thread is broken into parts that are processed in parallel. The data processing is several times faster. RAM, a device used to store information, which often has access. The structure of RAM and record data read at a rate many times the speed of access to data stored on the hard disk. What is important is the size of RAM and the frequency with which it exchanges data with devices. Necessary to this frequency coincides with the frequency at which the entire set of computer will not run. For auto-tuning, the frequency synchronization meets special devices built into the motherboard. Should the user's request or after a file attempt to start the computer, the frequency device try to find data, the support, the tire and the right devices. This device can be SRAM and CPU. Video card, it is responsible for the graphics. It has built-in memory, size of memory, important for the game, as in concern, tires and weight. Motherboard, in only kind of intermediary responsible for connection various types of super devices and connection between them. It also contains large multiplayer devices to control other devices, data transfer, synchronization, data processing. Motherboard should be required number of DDR, PCI slot, super connecting devices USB. 2, if necessary, could seamlessly connect the new device. In addition, if computer be used for game, you need to quickly data transmission was quite high. If the speed is slow, the new backlit game required high racers will greatly slow down. This is CD-ROM. It's designed for reading CD. Floppy drive. He used to work with disk. Hard drive, it stores all the files. It can be divided into several logical drive units, often is C and D. C is stored in the system files and Windows, where the designed user's personal files.